Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome to the next webinar of the on the mastering Power BI. एक मिनट एक मिनट आप जरा चेक कर लें कि हमारा लिंक्डइन पे भी लाइव जा रहा है। ठीक है। Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome to the next webinar on the mastering Power BI for data analytics and data visualization. And this webinar has been brought to you by the Alif Analytics. And I welcome you, everyone, to the Alif Analytics webinar. Alif Analytics is basically an IT consulting and IT. What is Alif Analytics basically IT consulting and IT training company, and we have brought different webinars. And one of the first webinar that we have brought to you was the data science in machine learning masterclass, and we already conducted two webinars. And our masterclass on the data science and machine learning was started from today. And now we have another webinar on mastering Power BI for data analytics and data visualization, where we are going to help professionals, students, also freelancers, and also like different people from different areas or area of expertise, in order to help them learn on LinkedIn, in order to help them grow, in order to help them learn Power BI and use them in their to help them grow their careers. So, along with me is just me check if there are some technical issues. So we'll be starting this webinar just in 1 to 2 minutes. We are facing some technical issue right now, and then we are going to start the webinar. Just give us few seconds. Now, everyone जो भी हमें ज्वाइन कर रहा है, just write in the comment section your name, your location, and the skill set, your area of expertise, and then we are going to start the webinar on the Power BI. We will have an introduction to the Power BI, and then also our instructor is going to lead you through the session in order to help you learn about Power BI and how you can use it for data analytics and data visualizations, and we will have several other practical examples also. So just write in the chat section that your name, your location, and your skill set or area of expertise. We have Ahmad Ali Khan. Thank you so much, Ahmad. Thank you so much, Walaikum Salam Zahur, for joining us. Okay, Kiran, just share the slides, and now we are going to start this session now. Okay, let me share the
Hello,
screen, and
Assalamualaikum.
my
Am I
screen is
audible?
visible. Yes, yes, you are audible. You can just like you can like now start this session, and then we are going to proceed with the questions and everything further.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Power Business Intelligence webinar series. My name is Kiran Liaquat, and I am so excited to guide you all through this webinar in which we will focus on one of the most powerful tools in the world of data analytics and visualization. Before we begin, let me give you a brief introduction of myself. I hold a master's degree from NUS University and a bachelor's from FAST. Currently, I'm working as a BI developer in BTC, that is a blue tech consulting company, where I have gained extensive experience in data analytics and visualization tools. Before this job, I worked at NUS for 3 years, where I focused on owning my skills in data modeling and analysis. This is all about my introduction. So, before starting, we should be clear what the goal of this webinar is, right? So, we should be clear what is the goal, right? So, the goal is to discuss why businesses need a tool like Power BI and how it can help them to gain valuable insights from their data. We will also discuss some real world examples of how businesses are using Power BI to solve complex data challenges. So now let's move towards what are the agendas of today's webinar. In point number one, we are going to talk about what are the fundamentals of business intelligence and why they are important for businesses today. In point number two, we are going to talk about the skills required for each path, like career growth and salary prospects. We are going to talk about in point number two. In point number three, we are going to talk about how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile and networking to enhance your job opportunities in the BI field. In point number four, this is going to be the last point in which we will talk about freelancing opportunity and how can you set up your own consulting or freelancing businesses. So these are the agendas of today's webinar. Before starting fundamentals of BI, look at this picture where we can see all social medias, right? So social media generates a large amount of data every minute, reaching almost 2.5 quintillion bytes per day. To let's say if we want to highlight some key points like which type of the data is generated, type of data speed, we need some advanced tool to answer these questions. And in advanced tool, we can use BI tool to make sense of these of this vast volume of information. So now let us and see what business intelligence is. Business intelligence is basically we have a general term that involves using various tools and techniques to gather, analyze, and transform data into meaningful insights to support decision making and strategy development in a business or organization. So, this is a very basic definition of business intelligence. So, how and where can we use BI for business making, right? So, this is a question. If we look at this diagram, we can divide into three parts. We have data integration. We have now here business intelligence. In the third part, we have advanced analytics. So here what we can observe is to use BI here, BI tools. We need to collect data in the found. This is a very first step, that is a data foundation. In this step, we need to collect data and integrate it, and then we can apply business intelligence tool for reporting and visualization. So after that, what we can after BI tool, what we can do is we can apply advanced analytics. This is the main goal. The main objective of BI is to enhance business to analyze their data in a way that help them understand their operations better, identify patterns and trends, and make data driven decisions. So they want to basically want to get the answer what we have to do and why happened. So this is the main objective of doing all these steps. First is we collect data, and after that we apply data intelligence to get the answer of what is the impact, what happened, and when happened. And after that we have advanced analytics. So the question is how we can transform data into a successful decision. Basically, we are moving from here to here, right? So for a successful decision, what we can do is we do transformations. We can say here data transformation is at the heart of business intelligence, right? So it is a process of converting raw data. Here we have a raw data, and here we have an informed decision. In between, we have business intelligence. So it is a process of converting raw data into valuable insights and analysis that drive successful business decision. With the help of BI tools and techniques, business can collect, analyze, and interpret data from multiple sources. From here, we can get data from multiple sources to make informed decision that lead to growth, efficiency, and profitability. These are three objectives, right? So first is growth, second is efficiency, and third is profitability. So this is basically a basic transformation of data. So, from transformation to make a successful decision, we need a process of managing data through its existence. For that, we have life cycles. From its creation to its disposal, the data life cycle typically consists of 6 stages, right? Here we have 5 stages. One is collection, ingestion, preparation, computation, and presentation. 6 stages. Also, we have disposal. That is not mentioned here, so we are not going to discuss that. In collection, what we do is we collect data from various sources, including like third party. We can collect it from public sources. We can also collect from internal system. This is data collection. And after data collection, we do data storage, that is ingestion. Data ingestion is very important because we want to make sure its accuracy and accessibility. Third step that we have is data analysis, that is also called preparation. In this preparation, we what we do is we use different tools and techniques to extract insights and pattern from data. That include data visualization, we have statistical analysis, we have machine learning algorithms, right? So in preparation we use these different analysis. In data preparation, that is in data preparation, basically we have transformation and cleaning, and in computation we have basically machine learning algorithms. In presentation we have basically the purpose is to communicate it very efficient way, right? So presentation is very important. In all this cycle, what we can observe is BI tools and technique can be used throughout the data life cycle to support decision making, um, improve operational efficiency, and drive business growth. So, in all stages, what we are trying to do is we are trying to fill a gap in the form of story, that is called storytelling. Why storytelling is very important? Data storing telling is the ability to bridge the gap between business and data or technology, right? So once we have gone through the data life cycle, we need to transform our insight into compiling stories, right? So storytelling is a powerful way to present complex information in a simple, memorable, and efficient manner. BI allow us to create interactive dashboard and custom visuals that help businesses make decision based on insight gathered from their data. When I talk about business BI, that means I'm talking about BI tool, that is Power BI, right? So, building a compiling data story involves several key steps. Basically, this slide and this slide is same. So, how we can build a story? This is not all about to show data, but communicate efficiently is very important. So, the key point that we have is number one is we have to identify what is our audience. Identify your audience is very important. Number two, define your objective. Objective is very important because you should know what you want to achieve with your story. Are you trying to inform or inspire your audience, right? So this is very important. Number three step that we have is collect and analyze data. Gathering data is very important, relevant data only, right? That will help you identify the key points to include in your story. Number four, use a clear and concise structure to tell your story. Number five that we have is choose your visuals. Use your data visualization such as charts, graphs to show your key points. Choose visuals that are easy to read and understand. This is very important. And number six is practice and refine. Refine your story to ensure that is engaging, relevant, and very efficient, right? So this is very important. So following these steps you can build a data story that efficiently communicates your insights and engages your audience. After these slides, now let's talk about different tools in business intelligence. Some popular business intelligence tools include we have ClickSense, we have Tableau, we also have IBM Cognos, but each has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. And the choice of which tool to use depends on the specific needs and goals of the business, right? So this is totally dependent on the business requirement. You can choose any tool according to your requirement. Now let's talk about the career path in business intelligence. If we talk about explore the different level of BI in of a BI career path, we have three different levels. We have beginner level, we have intermediate level, we have advanced level. In beginner level, we have BI analyst. In intermediate level, we have BI developers, and in advanced analyst, we have BI architect. So in beginner level, starting as a BI analyst or data analyst, responsibility includes collecting, organizing, and analyzing data using tools like SQL, Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. Here we have beginner level, and salary is basically varying from 60 to 80,000, right? So as a beginner, you can earn 60 to 80,000. In intermediate level, here we have progressing to a BI developer role, involves data modeling and developing and maintaining data visualization and dashboard. Here we can see we have storytelling, we have BI tool certifications, and different things. And then data visualization and dashboard for end user, that is a client. Okay. And in intermediate level you can earn up to 1.5 lakhs, right? So this is basically totally dependent on depends on your skill set. And then in advanced level, as a BI architect or a data scientist, responsibility includes designing and implementing BI solutions aligned with business goal, utilizing advanced statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms. And in this, and as a BI architect, you can earn up to 3 lakhs. So this is basically we have three different levels, job levels in BI, and these are the salaries that is basically depends on which level you are working. Now we have job search or business development on LinkedIn. Sir Ishtiaq, can you please explain this?
Thank you so much, Kiran, for such an insightful session. And we have people joining us from different parts of the country. And before proceeding with this, like job search and business development on LinkedIn, and how you can find jobs and how you can optimize your LinkedIn as an IT specialist, as an IT expert. I will just welcome everyone who have joined us in this session, and then we are going to proceed with this LinkedIn thing. So we have Ahmad Ali Khan who has joined us. Thank you so much, Ahmad. We have Zahur. Walaikum salam, Zahur Saab. Thank you so much for joining. He is my colleague from PTCL. Thank you so much for taking your time. And good evening, everyone. And thank you so much, Nishanta. And from UAE, and he is CSR. Thank you so much for joining us. Hira Malik, and Hira Malik is from Rawalpindi, and she's a student of CA and now start learning Power BI course. Thank you so much, Hira, for joining us. Now we also have Sayyid Rohan Hussain. And Sayyid Rohan, good evening. Thank you so much. He's joining us from Karachi, Pakistan, and he's a digital marketer and e-commerce expert. Thank you so much. Mirha Najam, and she's from Balwar, and graphic designer. Those people who have joined us in this session, you can just type in the chat section your name, your location, that from where you are joining us, and your skill set. Now we have some more comments too, and we have Imran Rashid. He has joined us, and Muhammad Imran Rashid ACMA. Thank you so much for joining us, Imran. Thank you so much, Dawood Siddiq, Python expert, for joining us, and also we have Zahur Muhammad from Peshawar, and thank you so much, Rafiullah. He's my friend. Thank you so much, Rafiullah, for joining us. He is a chartered management accountant and banker. Thank you so much, Imran Rashid, for joining us. So those people who have just joined us, you can just type in the chat section that from where you are joining us, your name, and from where you are joining us, and your skill set and area of expertise. And then I'm going to proceed with this job search and business development on LinkedIn, how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile as an IT specialist. So we have also Usman Khalid, CEO at bababuta.com. Thank you so much, Usman, for joining us. So now, this is like the first webinar to the Power BI series, and we are going to help you learn about the Power BI for data analytics and data visualization. And basically, there will be another webinar also coming next week on the same time, on the same day, Saturday next week, and we will be helping you learn about the Power BI. So also we have Junaid Akram. Junaid Akram is from Faisalabad. Thank you so much. Junaid Akram is learning is a degree has degree in in commerce, and also he is learning Python. Thank you so much, Junaid, for joining us. So now talking further to Kiran Liaquat has explained about has shared everything about Power BI, that what are the different techniques and how you can what are the different salary slaves, and she has shared everything related to the Power BI. And also before like proceed like before proceeding with this LinkedIn thing, that how you can search for the jobs and business development on LinkedIn, we also have another webinar coming up next week, where Kiran is going to share more about Power BI, that how you can use it for data storytelling, data visualization in your current job, or if you are going to change your career, then how you are going to use it. We also have Sadaf Sikandar, and she has joined us from Lahore, and she's a graphic designer and writer. Thank you so much, Sadaf, for joining us. So, Power BI is really important for your career. And if you are a professional, if you have experience in any field, like for example, if you are a finance specialist, or you belong to like any field, then you need to learn Power BI in order to dig down deep into data analytics, and create different reports, and like using Power BI, different visualizations using Power BI, and Kiran has already explained each and everything. Now I'm going to explain that how you are going to optimize your LinkedIn profile as an IT specialist, and also how you are going to apply for the jobs on LinkedIn. There are a lot of jobs available, and then after that we will have a Q&A session with Kiran, and she's going to answer all of your questions. So if you have any questions in mind related to Power BI, related to data analytics, data visualization, a career in data analytics and visualization, you can just ask her. So let me share the screen. Now, before proceeding further, now we need to have the first thing that you need to have in order to apply for the jobs on LinkedIn. In order to apply for the jobs in data analytics as an IT specialist and as an IT expert, you need to have a LinkedIn profile. And the first thing that you need to have a professional profile picture with a name, and also you need to have a LinkedIn headline. And I have a, a LinkedIn profile of Anis Akhtar. He's a data scientist at Zong, and he is also like worked at Ufone and PTCL. He's a trainer also. He has like experience with BI analytics and artificial intelligence. So we are going to take this as an example, and now you need to write your full name, like the name that you can write on your CNIC, and also uh, you need to have professional profile picture with a neutral background, looking just front like into the camera. And also you need to have a LinkedIn headline. This LinkedIn headline is really really important. And why it is important? Because this is the statement that is visible everywhere on LinkedIn. For example, if anyone is going to search for they are going to uh, go through the news feed, then the one thing that is visible related to your skill set, that is going to make you unique, is your LinkedIn headline. And you need to write a LinkedIn headline with your current position. And also if you have some other companies also, then you can also mention that. And also you need to write your skill set, also some other tools also. And then you need to add about section, and in the about section you need to write a short description about your experience and what type of value that you can aid to like your target company or to your target employer. And also you need to write about your highlights, like for example key profile highlights, your key achievements based on those responsibilities that were given to you. Like for example, if you have uh, like uh, like Anis has worked on different in the digital technologies department, different annual KPIs, and he's a champion of the month award, and also he's a data scientist and a Dice analytics and different other things. So also you need to mention the different tools that you can use, so that your potential employer can should learn about you, that what type of tool you can use and how you can help them solve different problems in different areas. Also you need to add a feature section where you can feature different certifications, different courses, also different awards and achievements that you have received throughout your career. This feature section is really important because there is a saying that that a picture is worth thousand words. So you need to add different pictures and showcase different pictures in your feature section also. Now also you need to add experience section. In the experience section, you do not need to only rely on your for example only the responsibilities, but you need to add the achievements against those responsibilities. For example, if you have completed different projects, then you need to mention those projects. And also you need to add different type of certifications or different type of achievements that you got. You need to add the pictures related to that. So you need to mention each and everything, different pictures, different media, certifications, and everything in your experience section also. But you need to mention not only responsibilities, but you need to mention achievements based on those responsibilities, against those responsibilities. You need to mention education, education is really important, and the relevant education. And you can also add like mini degrees. For example, if you have completed any certification or any course in the 6 months, then you can also add it in the education section. You also need to add certifications, and the certification need to be relevant to your like target job. For example, if you are an IT specialist and you are applying for a data scientist job, then you need to add certifications or courses related to data science and data visualization and data analytics, not related to graphic designing or any other thing. You also need to add 50 skills, and 50 skills are really important, but the top three skills need to be relevant to your target job. Okay. And for example, if you are a data scientist or a machine learning expert, so you do not need to mention Microsoft Office or Excel is your top skill, but your top skill need to be data science, machine learning, and business analytics, or any other skill. Also, you need to seek recommendations. Recommendations are really important, and you need to seek for the recommendations from different experts, from your teachers, from your mentors, from your boss, from your employers. Recommendations are really really important in the professional world. And you are being like whenever any employer, potential employer, is going to visit your LinkedIn profile, recruiter is going to visit your LinkedIn profile, then they must check. They're going to check the recommendation section, and they are going to learn about you, that who are the people, those who are recommending you is a good data science or an IT expert. So you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Like this is one of the this is the best LinkedIn profile that has been optimized. And also you can add a banner related to your skill set. Like it depends upon you. Either you can add such type of banner. Also you can add like different banner, like mentioning your name and also your skill set. But you need to add a banner also. You do not need to leave this space like empty, or adding any motivational quote, etc., etc. So you need to add these things. And then you need to apply for the jobs. Now, how you are going to apply for the jobs? You are going to visit this job section. And after visiting this job section, you need to just click on the, for example, worldwide. And you can mention, for example, data analyst. Like for example, I'm going to mention data analyst, that I'm going to search for the data analyst jobs worldwide. And then you need to mention the date, and you need to mention it as past week, like the job that are being posted past week. So there are 181k, like 1081, sorry, like 181k jobs are being posted worldwide. Data analyst jobs are being posted worldwide. You can also mention experience, entry level, associate. Also you can mention company. You can mention remote. Like for example, if you are in search of the remote jobs on LinkedIn, then you can mention remote. And then you can also mention different companies. If you are in search of full-time, part-time, contract, you can also mention that. And you can also mention location, that like what is the location of that job. And you can mention different other things. And you can just show those, click on like there are 9,700 jobs are available. Like data analyst jobs are available worldwide. Entry level and associate level jobs, and they are remote jobs. Now what you are going to do, you can just read those job descriptions, and you will find different, like for example, this is a data analyst job, and this is an entry level job. And you can just write like read this description, and it has a compensation of around, I think, 45,000 to 50,000 pounds per year. And you can just read the description. You need to find different type of, for example, keywords here. Like this is a 3 years of experience. Like this needs at least 3 years of experience and different skill sets. And you can find those keywords. And also like what are the different responsibilities. And now you can design your CV based on those keywords. And then you need to apply for those jobs. But before applying for those jobs, you need to do one thing, and you need to just visit this company page. And now you are going to visit the people. And you need to find people, those who are, for example, you need to write recruiter. I think there is no recruiter here, and let me try again with that uh, HR. So we have head of customer service. So like you need to find people that are related to the for example, yes, there are only 44 employees, so you can also, this is a small company, so you can also like reach directly to the head of department. For example, if this job is related to data analytics, then you can find a person that is related to, like for the marketing person, or any other, like any other person that you, for them this is a data analyst, then you can just open this profile and you can just connect with this person. You can just send a connection request and add a note, and you can just request this person, send a message to this person or to any other person that is the head of the department, and you can just send them a message that this specific job has been like is being open in your company, and I am a data analyst with this much of experience. This is my portfolio, and I want to apply for this job. So you need to first connect with those people, like internally in like in any company, and like you're going to approach them through LinkedIn, and this is really an easy way to approach those people. And then your like your chances of shortlisting will be much higher as compared to just applying for this job and just waiting for your application to be shortlisted. So that's how you are going to apply for the jobs on LinkedIn. Now, before like proceeding further, now this is how you are going to apply for the jobs on LinkedIn. And now I think we need to move towards the Q&A. And if anyone like those people who just joined us in this session, then you can just type in the chat section your name and your skill set, and also your like like your area of expertise. And then we are going to proceed with the Q&A, and also we are going to offer few things. Okay, so we have Muzammil Kayani, and he's a digital marketer and co-founder है a Digify Marketeers. Thank you so much, Muzammil, for joining us. Now, before proceeding further to the Q&A, I want to share one more thing with you people, and that is really important. Like our Power BI for data analytics and data visualization masterclass is going to start from 3rd June, and it will be an extensive masterclass. Like it's like it will not this is not going to be a 30 minutes or a 1 hour webinar, and where you are not going to learn each and everything related to the Power BI, that how you can use it for data analytics and data visualization in your current job. If you are going to explore some more careers, if you are going to grow in your like grow your career in data, like in data analytics, so what you are going to do, that you can also enroll in our masterclass. And this will be a 4 weeks masterclass, and I'm going to share the screen, and I'm going to, like, you can learn each and everything about this masterclass, that what will be included in this masterclass, and how you are going to enroll for this masterclass. So let me share the screen, and you are going to learn about it also. Okay, so this is the web page of Alif Analytics. And now we are currently offering two trainings. One is data science and machine learning masterclass, and another is advanced data analytics with Power BI. This Power BI and data analytics and visual data visualization masterclass. And first, I'm going to share with you the Power BI masterclass, that what is included in this Power BI masterclass. And this is going to start from 3rd June and it will end on 25th June, and it will be 4 weeks, 16 to 20 hours of masterclass. And like timing will be on Saturday and Sunday, and it will be from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m. Uh, the mode of teaching will be online and instructor led. Kiran Liaquat is going to lead this session in the Power BI masterclass. Now, you can have course overview, and this will be a 4 week masterclass, and you will gain a comprehensive understanding of Power BI and its data analysis capabilities, with a focus on Power Query for data cleaning and transformation, including hands-on exercises also. So this will be like in week one, you are going to learn about like you will get a comprehensive understanding of Power BI. Now, in the week two, you will also learn about the data modeling, discussing different data schemas, their significance in modeling, relationships between tables, cardinality, explore measures and calculated columns, their roles in data analysis and modeling, and also it will include hands-on exercises. So it will not be a like theoretical masterclass, but it will be everything will be practical, and we will have like instructor will lead you through each and everything through hands-on exercises and different practical examples from different industries also. uh, Also in the week three, you will learn about the navigate reports, learn to navigate the Power BI report interface, and explore various components such as pages, visuals, and filters. Understand different types of visualizations available in Power BI. This is really important to understand the different types of visualizations that are available in the Power BI, because you need to learn the art of storytelling. Like data storytelling is really important, and I will in this masterclass, the instructor is going to share with you each and everything about it, how you can craft like good like data stories, and how you can have how you can learn the art of crafting, uh, like how you can like learn the art of data storytelling. So now in the week four, you will learn about the navigate the Power BI service. You will explore Power BI Pro gateway and workspaces, and also you will learn about the presentation of the project. So this will be an instructor-led sessions and everything, like practical examples and different industry-based different examples will be provided, and this will not be only like a theoretical class, and you will learn each and everything related to Power BI in 4 weeks. Like I'm going to say that you are going to become master of Power BI in just 4 weeks, and that will be that is definitely true. So you can also enroll for this masterclass. This Power BI masterclass is going to start from 3rd June, and it will end on 25th June, and it will be a 4 weeks masterclass. It will be the total duration of this masterclass is going to be 16 to 20 hours. So you can learn each and everything about Power BI, and you can unlock your full potential in the ever evolving professional landscape. So you need to reserve your seat now, and we also have early bird discounts available for the next 5 people, those who are going to enroll in our masterclass. And also like the individual fee is going to be 10,000 per person. If you are going to join with a group of two, like you can just enroll with the 9,000 per person, and also with a group of two plus you can get some more discount also. So you need to reserve your seat now. And there are some other frequently asked questions also, that what type of tools are you going to be used, is job placement available after completing this course. You can re-enroll in the training within 1 year of your initial registration also. So you can also re-enroll in this course. And what is the extent of hands-on experience in this course? So the approximately 70 to 75% of the curriculum should be like, it will be related to the practical knowledge and the practical different type of examples we are going to include. So it will be a comprehensive master class, and you are going to become master of Power BI in just 4 weeks. So you need to just jump in and you need to just enroll in this Power BI masterclass now. So I think some more people have joined us, and we before proceeding with the Q&A, we also, if you have any question related to Power BI, then you can just type in the chat section, and our expert Kiran Liagat is going to answer all of your questions. So we have Sehat Tabassum, and she has joined us from Lahore, and she is pursuing bachelor degree in mathematics. So I think we need to proceed with the Q&A now, and we also have Yusra Imran from Karachi. Now, before taking some more questions, just I want to ask one question from you, Kiran, that what is the best way to craft an effective data story? Like how we can like how we can learn effective data storytelling using Power BI. If you can answer this question, because most of people are going to be, because I also belong to corporate, and so we need to learn the art of data storytelling and how to craft effective data stories using Power BI. Yes, Kiran.
Okay, this is going to be our last point, like freelancing and consultation opportunities. If we talk about freelancing, right? So, business intelligence offer. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, definitely. Please continue.
Okay. Business intelligence offers various opportunity for freelancing and consultations work. As a freelancer, you can offer your services to small businesses that cannot afford to hire a full-time BI professional. You can also work on short-term projects for large companies that require additional support for specific BI initiatives. As a BI consultant, you can provide guidance and expertise to organizations looking to implement BI solutions or improve their existing system. This can include tasks such as data analysis, it could be dashboard creation and training. With the increased demand for BI in industries such as healthcare, finance, and marketing, there are many opportunities for freelancers and consultants to build successful career in this field. So this is all about the freelancing and consultation. I guess we have now QA session. If you guys have any question, you can ask.
Yes, definitely. So the first question that is from Muhammad Imran Rashid is that, is there any basic requirements for BI, or he need to explain this question more? Like, is there any requirements for the business intelligence? I think he's going to say that, are there any requirements, basic requirements for the Power BI? Kiran, I think you are audible. I think there is some issue with your mic.
Of any basic requirements like BI itself set for visualization. We will inshallah start from scratch, like from A to Z. We will learn this course all about BI, right? So there's no requirement.
Okay, definitely. Another question is that how much time required for a person to master in BI? Yes, Kiran. I think there is some technical issue on your side.
Yes, yes.
How much time required for a person to master in BI? Another question from Imran
Inshallah,
is
inshallah, you will easily learn this course in 1 month.
okay, definitely. That's why I told them that you are going to be master of Power BI in just 4 weeks. So you do not
Yes,
need
in
to
4 weeks you
like
can
worry
easily
about it.
learn.
Yes, yes. Like you can easily learn this Power BI in just 4 weeks. Now, I think there is another question: is IT background necessary? I think you can
No.
explain it more clearly, but you can explain it more. But I think IT background is not necessary, uh, but like is not like the basic requirement. But you can explain it more.
There is no need of IT background. You can learn Power BI because this is a visualization tool, right? So in visualization, you will learn about different techniques, and it has its own language, that is the DAX. We will inshallah explain you how you can use that DAX for visualization, right? So there's no need to worry about IT background.
Thank you so much, Imran, for being an active participant and asking so many questions because these questions are going to help other people who are unable to ask like questions related to Power BI, related to this masterclass, related to this webinar because of different technical issues or some other things. So thank you so much for being the active participant. And our Power BI masterclass is going to start from 3rd of June, and anyone can join this Power BI masterclass that is starting from 3rd of June, and this will be a 4 weeks comprehensive masterclass, and it will cover each and everything. Like you need to be completely beginner. You don't need to learn. Like you just need to have a laptop or a desktop. And you just need to like learn about data. You do not need to be an like do not need to have experience in data analysis. Yes, if you are going to like if you have like anything related to if you are experienced in the data analysis using Excel, then it will be really good for you. But this course is designed for the complete beginners. Now, we have some more questions from Savera Shrieb also. Thank you so much, Savera, for joining us. How we can fix a Power BI in every industry? And secondly, what are the outcomes if I get enrolled? Okay, Kiran, so another question for you from Savera, that how we can use Power BI
Svera
in every
basically,
industry.
yes, Svera basically Power BI always help us to enable data-driven decision making. Let's say if we talk about e-commerce, right? So that help us that help us in personalized marketing, optimized inventory management, and improve customer experience. This type is basically you can easily use this tool for different purposes, right? So that basically helps you for data driven decision.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And what are the outcomes if I get enrolled? I think this question is also answered. So, what is the content of this course? Yes,
That
just let me.
basically always helps. Let's say if you talk about
Yes, definitely. Just you can proceed, please.
content of this course is we will learn inshallah we will learn about Power BI query side, like how you can clean transform your data. And after that, we will learn about data modeling. And inshallah, we will also learn about DAX, that is a data analysis expression language, that will help you to analyze your data more in detail. And after that, we will learn about visualization, reports, and then dashboard. These will be the content of this course.
I think the screen is visible now in front of you also. Kiran, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is the content of the course, and you can like I will just share this link with you. You can just type in the chat section, and you can just reach me on LinkedIn, and I will share. And you or you can just visit alifanalytics.com, and you can just visit the trainings. And here we have advanced data analytics with Power BI masterclass, and all the details are provided along with the date, starting date, the end date, duration, timing, and also the mode of teaching and different other things are being provided here with the weekly content. Also, this is a 4 week masterclass, and also you can find some more answers here in the frequently asked questions, and you can find different answers related to your different queries. I think also we have one more question from Imran Rashid, and what is the minimum system requirements? Imran Saab, you can also find the system requirements here. I think what are the PC requirements for this course? And for data science and machine learning, also I think this is related to data science. But for the Power BI, what are the system requirements? Kiran, what should be the minimum
Yes, sir.
system requirement?
Minimum requirement is 4 GB RAM is required, right, for the installation of Power BI desktop.
Okay, so this is the
4
minimum
GB
system
RAM.
requirement. Okay, 4 GB RAM. So Imran Saab,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to have a
Yes,
4
sir.
GB
You
RAM.
will. Yes, sir. You will inshallah get certificate at the end of this course.
Okay, and we have also have
Yes, you
Wakar
will
Yunus
get certificate.
from Canada, and he's doing masters in software engineering. Welcome, Wakas, to this live session. And Vakas, if you are going to learn about Power BI, then Kiran has already shared like had a presentation related to Power BI, and you can just replay this session. And if you want to learn about learn some more about Power BI, that how you can use it for data analytics and data visualization, we have a comprehensive masterclass also, and you can also join that masterclass. Thank you so much, Imran. Thank you so much, Wakar. And thank you so much, Seher. And also said you are going to get a certificate. Also, because Alif Analytics is a registered company, and you will get a certificate also at the end of the course. And if you are going to learn more about the content, or if you have any other query, then you can just visit alifanalytics.com, the website of Alif Analytics Private Limited. And also, you can just reach me on LinkedIn, and I will share some more details, or if you have any other, any other queries also. And the registration is already started for the Power BI masterclass, and you can just avail the early bird discount now. And we have only 5 slots available with the early bird discount, and you can just avail it right now, and reach us on LinkedIn, and we are going to share some more details about and how you are going to register for this masterclass also. And also, if you are going to join in a group of two, or in a group of two or more, then you also will get the discount. So you can just join this masterclass in order to master the art of using Power BI for data analytics and data visualization. So thank you so much again, everyone, for joining. Nishanta from UAE, also Hiram Malik, Rohan, Mirhan Najam, and Imran Rashid, the most active participant, Dawood, Zahur Saab. Thank you so much for joining. Rafiullah, and also we have Usman Khalid. He's the CEO at bababuta.com. We have Junaid Akram also with us. Sadaf Sikandar, thank you so much for joining. Muzammil Kayani, and also Ikram and Amir Qazi. Also, we have Yusra, we have Seher. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in this Power BI webinar. And you can also visit the same page next week at the same time. And we are going to have another webinar on mastering Power BI for data analytics and data visualization. So you can just join that webinar also. And you are, if you're going to master Power BI, then you can just visit alifanalytics.com and you can just learn about that, like what you are going to learn in this Power BI masterclass. So just again, I'm going to share with you the link of the website, and you can just alifanalytics.com, and you can just visit this link and you can learn about that, this Power BI masterclass. Also we have data science and machine learning masterclass, and you can also join data science and machine learning masterclass also. So that's all about the Power BI webinar for today. And in the next week, we are going to again come live on the same platforms, on the YouTube, on the Facebook, and also on LinkedIn. And we are going to share something more about Power BI and how you are going to find job as a data analyst, as an IT expert. So thank you so much, Kiran, for your time and for sharing your knowledge, for sharing your expertise with the audience. And thank you so much, Arif Analytics team,
Thank you, sir.
for bringing such amazing webinars, such wonderful knowledge to the audience. So we are going to end this session. Thank you so much, and best of luck. Allah Hafiz.